Hi everyone, I'm Mike, South Florida firefighter, back with Drone Nerds to talk about some of the payload options of the DJI M300 and some of the different scenarios you may use them for. Let's talk about a payload combination for structure fires. As a firefighter, you're going to want to have a thermal camera. Either the H20N or the H20T are good choices. Have these paired with a loudspeaker or at night the GL60 Plus by CZI or similar. This combination is also great for wildfires. The thermal camera paired with a loudspeaker is great to help direct your team out of harm's way for a rapidly spreading fire. Another payload combination is for vehicle extrication. A great choice is your thermal camera paired with a spotlight. The CZI GL60 Plus is a great option. Vehicles are sometimes in remote areas and lighting is always an issue. The GL60 Plus will light up an entire scene to help ground crews work, and at the same time your thermal camera can help see the entire scene and transmit back to an incident commander. Let's get into some payload combinations for search and rescue. For a conscious victim, a thermal camera paired with a loudspeaker is a great combination. The thermal camera allows you to locate the victim, and the laser rangefinder can pinpoint with extreme accuracy a GPS location. Once at the victim, the loudspeaker can let the person know that help is coming and to avoid any danger in the immediate area. In certain search and rescue situations for a conscious victim, you may need to swap out for the CZI TH4 throwing hook. The throwing hook can deliver immediate medical supplies, anything from a first aid kit to a life preserver or anything in between for someone in need of immediate assistance. When it comes to search and rescue of an unconscious victim, you'll still want to keep thermal camera for its capabilities, paired with a spotlight like the GL60 Plus to help direct ground crews to the area of interest. For hazmat situations, thermal and zoom cameras are a great payload combo on the M300. With the zoom capabilities, you can now zoom in and transmit that valuable information back to the command post before ever committing crews into the hot zone. You can also attach a gas monitor to the drone to get pinpoint readings. These are some of the payload combinations that you can use for your M300 drone. Feel free to contact us at experts@dronenerds.com or leave a comment below. Once again, I'm Mike with Drone Nerds. Have a nice day.